Hey there, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Shawn and this is Reversed TV. I'll be talking about reverse mortgage today, obviously, but more specifically, I'll be talking about who qualifies for reverse mortgage. With that said, let's dive in. There are two basic qualifications for reverse mortgage. Obviously, there are more, but I'm not going to bore you by reading a 360-page guideline manual. So the very first qualification in terms of who qualifies for a reverse mortgage is there's an age requirement. You have to be either age 62 or age 55 or older to qualify for a reverse mortgage. The FHA reverse mortgage age or point of entry rather is age 62 and up. And there are proprietary reverse mortgages where the point of entry is age 55 and up. Do note that that program is not available in every single state, but they are available in a majority of the states. The second qualification is that there is an equity requirement. So with the FHA reverse mortgage, you can borrow roughly 36 to 40% of your home value at age 62, and it just increases a little bit with every passing year until you get into your 90s and you qualify to get around 68 to 74% of the value of your home. It's worth noting that for the FHA reverse mortgage, this does change every single week on Tuesday, and it's dependent on interest rates. As interest rates drop, you actually get to borrow more. As interest rates rise, you can borrow a little less. In fact, at one point in time when interest rates were at all-time lows, you could borrow about 52% at age 62. Those days are gone now, probably since about 2018, that all changed. And the program has been roughly what I'm discussing with you right now since then. The proprietary reverse mortgage, you can borrow on a sliding scale anywhere from about 32% all the way up to about 60%. And that's not as interest rate driven as the FHA reverse mortgage, meaning it doesn't change every single week, but it does change periodically, and it's just really dependent on what's going on in the secondary market and all that boring sort of stuff. Hope that helped answer your question. With that said, please drop a like and subscribe. Take care, have a great day, have a great evening, and enjoy the weekend ahead.